morning world, it's Aurora here. Today is day 4 of my 30-day aloe vera challenge. So I'm gonna cut 1 leaves of aloe vera. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to peel aloe vera. Today is also my day 4 and I've got some good looking aloe vera here. It's looking very healthy. This is how I cut the serrated edges. Alright, and then I cut, maybe divided into 3. To peel off the top layer. I could try to peel that off, see it doesn't work, so I have to cut it like this. After it is gone, alright, that's how I cut my aloe vera. Now I'll move on to the next. Have to wash this though, because whenever you cut the skin, it releases that yellow kind of gel, and you do not want that to mix in with your aloe vera juice, because it is going to be a little bit bitter. So you're not seeing it right now, but when you first cut, the very first cut of your aloe vera, it would look like a yellow. It looks like it's almost like a turmeric color. You do not want that to mix in with your drink, because that's they said it is toxic. It is a latex actually, and that would cause you diarrhea. So far I have not had any diarrhea yet. Anyways, this is how I peel my aloe vera leaves. And I would rinse them a little bit. Alright, let's dry this off. Okay, so the way I would peel the aloe vera gel from aloe vera leaves, I just cut it like this. It can be crisscrossing. Then instead of usually I would just spoon it, but I think the best way is just cut the very bottom one. I think the best knives to use is this one that do not have the holes. Now let's start pulling off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the cup. See that how you do it? Yummy. go. And you know what I would do with the skin, guys? I would apply that to my face as my face cream and let it dry for half an hour. It feels good afterwards. So let's move on to the next slice of aloe vera. This is looking healthy aloe vera leaves. Oops, I cut way too deep. I shouldn't be doing that. I don't want the skin mixed up to my juice. Alright, let's do this. Alright, we have a few in here. You don't want to waste it. Okay. Okay, let's do this. I guess I gotta stop here because I do not want the leaves on my thing. Now let's add some let's add some apple juice. And I like to mix it with a little bit of grape juice. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow again.